Now guys, let's move on to the next page. Shade the model to show 31 hundredths. Okay guys, first I'm gonna look at the tens. The tens that I have is 3, so I'm gonna color 3 whole columns. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm gonna look to the ones that I have here. It's only 1, so I'm gonna color only 1. Now let's write it the amount as a decimal. So 31 hundredths, it's gonna be 0.31. Now if I want to represent it here, do I have any whole numbers? No, so I will put a 0. What is the number that I have in the tenths? It's 3 and hundredth, 1. Now guys, here he wants me to write the fraction or mixed number and the decimal shown by the model. Okay, first guys, it's much easier for you to write the fraction than write the decimal. So let's write the fraction. I have how many parts shaded? Okay, I have column is considered as 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm gonna stop here because I don't have all of it. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So I'm gonna write 68 as the numerator. Now, the denominator is the total, guys. So I have how many squares in total? 100. Now, how I'm gonna read it as a decimal? 0.68. Let's see this one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 as numerator. Now I have how many parts in total? 100. Okay, who can tell me how I'm gonna write it as a decimal? Should I write 0.8? No, if I wrote 0.8, it's like I put there, like for example, if I wrote it like this, 0.8, this 8 will be in the 10th place, right? And I don't want it in the 10th place. I want it where? In the 100th place. So I will teach you a little trick. Take this 0 with 8. So I'm gonna write 8 here. Do I have here any number to take this 0 with it? No. So I'm gonna leave him here alone? No, I'm gonna take it. And I will put a decimal point and 0. So again, I will take the first 0 with my first number. Now I want to take the second 0 with a second number, but I don't have a second number, so I'm not gonna leave him. I'm gonna take it with me here and I will put a decimal point and a 0. Now guys, he wants me to find this number as a fraction and a decimal. Let's see. I have here 6. So here is 6.10. Or if it's easier for you to write it as a fraction, so it's 10 over 100. So one will ask me why it's not 1 over 100. Look, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 hundredths. And here I have 20 hundredths, right? I have it here 6. Okay, what is the number exactly before 20? Before 20 comes number what, guys? Yes, 19 over 100. And don't forget your whole number. Look guys, if we applied our trick here, 0, first 0 will be with 9, the second 0 will be with 1. So I'm gonna write 9 and 1. Do I have any zeros left alone here? No, so I will put a decimal point, then I will write my whole number. Now guys, I need you to solve from number 5, 6, and 7, and then check your answers with me. He wants me to write the fraction or mixed number and a decimal shown by the model. Okay, he wants me to write the fraction and the mixed number. So first here, if you noticed, I have 1 as a whole. And I have here how many parts? Look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83 over 100. Now he wants me to write it as a decimal. First 0 will go with 3. Second 0 will go with 8. So 3, 8. Do I have any zeros left? No, so I will put a decimal point and I will put my whole number. Now here I have what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 20. Sorry. I skip counting by tens. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, can see 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and actually I think it's 65. Sorry guys, the screen is too small. I will do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I'm sure it's not 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, they are 70. Yes, it's 70 from the beginning, I was right. Okay, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 over what? Yes, over 100. So how I'm gonna write it as a decimal? I can say 0.75. Now here, this one actually it's easy. I'm not gonna count all this. I'm gonna just skip counting backwards. So 50 before 50, 49, 48, 47. So it's 47 over what? Over 100. So how I'm gonna write it as a decimal? 0.47. Now, I want you to solve number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 13. Then check your answers with me, guys. Now, write the fraction or mixed number as a decimal. So I have to convert it into a decimal. Okay, guys, my trick. The 0 will go with the 9. So I'm going to write 9. And I'm going to leave the 0 alone? No, I'm going to take it with me. So I will write it here. Put a decimal point and 0. Now, first 0 is the first number. Second 0 is the second number. So I'm going to write 55.4. Now, first 0 is first number. Second 0 is second number. I'm going to write what? 10. I'm going to write a decimal point and a 0. First 0 is first number, second 0 is second number. So I'm going to write 33 point. I'm not going to put a 0. Why? I have a whole number, so I'm going to write it. First 0 is first number, second 0 is second number. So I have 92 point, and I will put a 0. Now, first 0 is first number, second 0 is second number. So I'm going to write 16 in the decimal. I will put a decimal point and I will write 14 as a whole number.